Good afternoon, friends. Today we're going to try another one of them TikTok experiments things. This is a recipe nobody's asked me to do, but we're going to try it anyways. So we're going to take regular old potato chips and turn them into mashed potatoes. I've got sour cream and onion potatoes here, or potato chips, and all you're supposed to do is take potato chips, put them in a pot of boiling water, and from there on you're going to get yourself mashed potatoes, and I'm going to show you how to do it according to TikTok. All right, so I'm going to walk you guys through this step by step. You got your pot of boiling water. You got your bag of potato chips. I'm going to show you these are not been opened or nothing, so they are a brand new bag. There you go. I went with the Old Dutch Ruffles and sour cream and green onion, extra flavor. They do say use Lay's, but I'm going to use the Old Dutch. I figure you get more potato out of it. And apparently all you're supposed to do is take a handful of potato chips and add them to your boiling water. Now, this is going to be really weird. I've never tried this before. So it doesn't really say how much. That looks about right to make a small sample of this. Good enough, and there you go. You let them boil. You might want to turn it down a little bit so that it doesn't boil over. There we go. Pretty good potato chips. And now all you're going to do is bring those to a boil until the potato chips themselves go mushy. After a couple of minutes here, these have been boiling away. They're starting to go a little bit mushy. I don't really know how mushy you want to get them, but it makes sense. I mean, a potato chip is just a fried potato, so why not give it a try, right? So once these get mushier, you're going to want to strain them. Now stick with me. This is what TikTok tells me. I've never tried it, so we're going to give it a try ourselves. And there you go. The potatoes have started to fall apart. I believe that's the time that we should now pull them. We're going to take these over to our sink, and we're going to strain them. Again, this sounds really weird, but bear with me. I'm just trying it just like you guys are. Yeah, and they've fallen apart, as you can see. So we're going to dump these back into our pot. And there you go. Now, just like regular mashed potatoes, you're going to want to take them and mash them up with a masher, add a little butter, and if you want, you can add some bacon, maybe some cheese. You got yourself loaded bacon mashed potatoes from potato chips. You could do this with a potato masher, but I'm just going to use a fork because I didn't really make all that much. And yeah, as you can see, they're mashing up quite nicely. The real question is going to be, did any of that flavor stick around? So we're going to give that a try. As you can see, I've added a little bit of bacon bits and a gob of butter. We're just going to give this an old mix around, get everything all combined. It does look like mashed potatoes. So, I mean, yeah, let's see what this turns out to be tasting like. And there you go, guys. That's what you get. It kind of looks like dried mashed potatoes that you make on the stovetop there. But let's see how it tastes. Okay, yep. Tastes like potato. Didn't get as much of the sour cream and onion flavor as I'd liked, but I mean, it does work. Could add a little bit more salt or something to it. But all in all, there you go. You got mashed potatoes and bacon. Thanks for tuning in, guys.